Our company was started in 1978 by our uncle Robert Burroughs. Robert is a mechanic by trade, and he moved home in the late 70s and opened up as an independent repair facility. At the time, the oil field business was booming in South Mississippi and Alabama, and that was a primary focus of his efforts. Early in the 1980s, the oil field business crashed. They were literally mopping clean floors, trying to keep the business open, and he learned at that time he could never be that dependent on one industry. His ultimate goal was to establish a truck dealership, and after the crash of the oil field, he began working in that direction. He knew selling trucks was his ultimate goal, but before entering the sales realm, he wanted to be sure that he had a profitable parts and service department. In the mid-80s, he partnered with Western Star, a truck manufacturer at the time owned by the Canadian government, and began selling trucks. Shortly after partnering with Western Star, we opened a commercial body shop with alignments and frame straightening. Through our alignments, we ended up partnering with Goodyear and Michelin and selling commercial tires in South Mississippi.
We were circling the state and doing a lot of business with school districts all across the state of Mississippi, primarily with the tire business that we had. Over the years of working with the school districts through the tire business and other service needs we might have been doing at the time, the Bluebird dealership opened up for the state of Mississippi.
We saw that as a significant opportunity for us. Bluebird had a great name. We knew it was the first purpose-built school bus. I mean, everyone associates the name Bluebird with school bus. Most people assume most school buses are all Bluebirds.
It's something that fit in with what we do, already being a commercial truck dealer in the state. We were already set up to work on these type of vehicles. We already had the infrastructure in place. We already had a lot of the relationships with the customers across the state. So it was an exciting time for us.
Over the past 25 years, our school bus business has seen significant growth, and we truly feel it has a lot of potential to grow even larger. Now, the school bus operation and the truck operation are very similarly sized.
We sit on approximately 15 acres of land. Over the past 30 plus years, that land has been developed in what it is today, which consists of the Western Star truck dealership, a strong mechanic service facility, as well as a full body shop, alignment shop. We have an enclosed spray booth to paint trucks and other commercial vehicles such as buses. We also have a Goodyear and Michelin tire dealership here on the property, as well as the school bus business. We have a full-time towing company where we have access to our own records that we can send out on the road to bring vehicles in. We have roughly 20 retired drivers that work for us. If a customer has a bus that can be driven, but it needs to come in to get some type of service done, and they're unable to get it to us, we have that access where we can send guys out, pick the bus up, bring it into Burroughs, take care of whatever need it might have, and then we can return the bus back to them.
We put a lot of emphasis on the service side of our business. We're willing to work on any manufacturer's product. And we truly believe that the salesman sells the first bus and the service department sells the subsequent units. If we give you a good service experience on a bus that we did not sell you, we really feel like that opens the doors for future sales. Over the past several years, we have seen significant growth in our school bus business. And 2 years ago, we were fortunate enough to buy the property next door to our truck dealership and build a purpose-built school bus repair facility. We have sales, parts, and service in one dedicated location.
Obviously, the business, like any business, is only as strong as the people that work for you. We are, being a family-owned business, we put a lot of value in our employees. When we look for new team members here at Burroughs, we really look for people that have a good work ethic, people that just show up to work every day with a good attitude and a willingness to work.
When hiring new employees, we really look for attitude and willingness to work. Having a lot of experience in this industry isn't that important to us. If you have a good attitude and a willingness to work, we can teach you the skills necessary to be successful in the school transportation business.
One thing that's really important to here at Burroughs Diesel is ensuring our customers have access to the best trained staff that we can provide them. Bluebird offers a lot of training, both at the factory as well as here at the dealership, as well as Ford and Roush. So over the years, we really try to take advantage of this by sending some of our technicians as well as our sales team, both to Roush and to Bluebird, to be sure that they understand what's going on and what's up to date with the school bus industry. Earlier this year, we won some business at a new school district at Madison County School District. Madison's one of the larger school districts in the state of Mississippi. It's an account that we had never done any business at before. We were fortunate enough through training that we offered to the schools and through demo programs that we offered, that we went up there and we were able to be successful and capture some of the business at Madison. They placed a large order for us at the beginning of the year for 51 school buses. Through the service that we've been able to provide them over the past 3 or 4 months while they've been using these school buses, they have since turned around and placed another order for an additional 16 units. So this has been something that we've been obviously very excited about here at Burroughs, something we've been able to celebrate, and it's just another example of doing the right things to make sure you can succeed at what you do.
Our past is certainly important, but we are also always looking forward. Moving in this new facility has given us the opportunity to grow, and we've recently partnered with Microbird to sell the commercial line. This will be our first venture into the commercial market, and we're excited about the opportunities it holds. After our 25-year involvement with Bluebird, there's been a lot of changes in the school bus industry and with Bluebird, but we are extremely excited about the future.